Hey guys, your boy Keys. We're live on Apollox. Today's tutorial, we'll be talking about scam Apollox updates, scam channels you want to be aware of. So apparently, we're looking at one now currently. You can see the website here. I'm seeing is Apollox promo give, and this is apparently not the official website for Apollox. So there are some things you want to spot out to know. These are the designs. This is one of the logo they did. Apollox promo give. These are officially not really. We're going to see the differences. But the thing about here is that apparently there are loads of participants here. 13,618. Currently have about 1,154 people online. But we do hope they are aware. See Apollox discussion from feel free to share. Apollo Exchange. This is the Telegram link. So these are some of the things you want to be aware of. These are some of the things you want to be aware of. So right here, we'll be checking it out, doing our confirmation. So the admin here happens to be Apollox English. Is the admin has access to? I think for this group, I think there's only one admin, about 13,000 members here. But I think there are only one admin, or just one admin. Let's see if we can search up for admin if there are more than one admin. Okay, apparently this I think last seen yesterday. Okay, there's just one admin here on the page here, and usually the Apollo usually has more than one admin. And currently, as of now, it says we were invited by MMD, invited you to this group, which we do not know the person. This MMD happens to be okay. This is the person that invited us to this group. So I think they are the ones initiating this scam. You might ignore the picture. Most of these scammers they usually use pictures of various people, so the picture might not be that thing. But this is the latest update they did. This our promo distribution will end soon. Hurry and catch up your local promo give is ending soon. So I think we are forced to close the chat until the end of the event due to intense activity and questions. We want our participants to receive their reward. So you can raise your hand and ask yourself questions, but you better hurry up. So there are posts of people. I think there are fake screenshots here. I think that's what I'm noticing with APX token having and this much value. So you want to be aware of stuffs like this. I'm about to do it a second time because timer is running out. So I think they're okay. We're going to go over to this website and see what they are requesting participants to do. So guys, you want to stay tuned to our YouTube channel. We do try as much as possible to give updates on airdrop crypto news as well as other safety tips. So you want to be aware. Apparently, it says, say we appreciate your support and thank you for our team 700 distributing a total of 700,000 APS tokens. There's even a video here. It says, until the end of the promotion, left hours, okay, 3x, triple your income. Okay, this initiative says you triple your income. Your 3,530 is going to give you. So these are some of the things you want to be aware of. Uh, Things like this that says you double your investment and your income, especially when the website looks does not look genuine enough. So you want to follow Apollo X on their official handles and differentiate between the official websites. There's even a video animation here. I know most of them can easily come up with something like this. I think they could also go as far as collecting videos from the official website, but it doesn't really say if these videos are okay. The video is not explanatory on the airdrop itself, so this could just be a video collected from the official website. So you take note, Apollo X. So we're going to go back. We're going to go back to the YouTube channel. So guys, I'll be reporting this in spam. I'm leaving this group. Well, meanwhile, we're going to head up to the main Apollox page, main Apollox Telegram groups. So you guys, when you search up on Apollox, these are the groups you're going to be seeing. So the main one, Apollox announcement, has about 10,020 subscribers, which is the official one. Then we have two Apollox English here. There's one at the bottom, there's one at the top. So you want to take note of these ones. The main Apollox page, I think it is the one that currently has the lesser number. I think that's the one that has the lesser number. Let's check it out. So this is the one that has the number. This one has the Lexa number. So there are lots of things you can do here. So you want to be able to differentiate between both of them. The main Apollox page has Lexa number. Some of the numbers you see on that Apollox members, they could be bots, they could be bots, they could be bots. The main Apollox users could not be more than 1,000 on that page. Most of them could be bot accounts. So on the Apollox page, you could see update, reasonable updates here. You could see live chat, you can see full announcement, you could see reasonable projects, you could see lots of the boats is here. There's the official Apollox and boat that tells you the price of the Apollox token, as well as other specs. So you want to check price for Apollox token. So these are some of the things you can do on the main Apollox page, Coinbot. This Apollox is currently at 0.0569190, and you can check out the pin post. You can check out the pin post. They are not, there is nothing like a double your APS token giveaway here. There's nothing like that, so you want to be aware of that. Those are some of the tips you want to be aware of. Also, uh there's okay, it talks about the main Apollox official channel, Korea group, and Apollox XCN. So these are the main channels here. So Apollox, these are the main channels. The other one add these under hyphen change. So those are the differences. You can see the boot active. Then we have users who have been awarded for being active. We have this is the champ. So these are, so okay, we have the CS here, I think, customer service also. But these are just some roles being given on the Apollox and group, so you want to be aware of it. uh QI, okay, there are loads of them there. I think there are more admins. So the main Apollox doesn't really have just one admin page. So those are some of the differences. Then you can also see the Apollox Telegram user emojis and more, guys. You can also check for the beginning of the group, when it started, and more, compare it with projects on their official group and more, to be able to understand. So we're going to go over to the APX announcement channel. So I'm going to click on this announcement page here. Announcement page has about 10,000 subscribers, which is more. So right here there are loads of okay, you can see Apollox. The latest announcement says Apollox fights fix Apollox and Telegram group, which is the Apollox exchange, is not affiliated to, or is not an official account of Apollox. Please be careful out there. Report the fix and checking our official Telegram groups. Please help the center for all official. Avoid participating in any airdrops or. So these are the official ones. So guys, I do hope this tutorial video is helpful to you. So we're gonna go over to this one and report it. Okay, we're going to go over here. I click on spam and leave. I think we're going to do it in the various versions. So guys, sorry for posting the video. We had to check up on something, so I'm going to go over to the admin first of all. I think we're going to try and just, I think the best thing is to, okay, this is a bot. Admin is a bot. Okay, so admin is a bot. So guys, the goal here now is to either stop this bot, first of all, one. Then also we're going to look for the person that added us and try and block that person too, or report the person's account. That's one of the ways to go about things like this. So you say MD added us. I think it was MD or MMD that added us. So let's look for it. So guys, we're just going to click on the MMD here, and I think is the one we're going to block him. We're not just going to block him. we're going to report him. I think it's possible to block and report directly. I think okay, we're just gonna block him. I think that's the only feature we are seeing here. So we're gonna block. So block him. Meanwhile, we're even supposed to have the option for reports. So okay. So once you're done with that, you can also report spam and leave. Report spam and leave. So I think it's going to delete automatically. So guys, you want to stay safe out there, you buy keys. Hope this is helpful to you. We're bringing more updates on staying safe on these platforms. Bring more updates too on how to stay safe. There are loads of them, loads of cloned uh, pages or the groups. The Telegram is filled with literally with these type of things. So but you want to stay safe out there. Says here this one has 700 USD, not 700,000 USD as is shown there, and that's on a basis. It's not a double your APS token basis, not a double your APS token rewards basis. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe with your kids. I'm still looking for some okay, this is what we're looking for. Said Apollox fakes fake website. Please know that our only website is apollox.com, not apollox.uno.funds. Okay, so there are loads of cloned websites, guys. You want to be aware and stay safe, stay far from them. Peace out, Jubai Keys. Stay safe and much love. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.